Now let's look at this figure 23-6, and it deals with low voltage lighting in accordance with Article 411. And again, we're calculating the service conductors, the load that we're going to apply to select the conductors for the service in accordance with 230.42A1. But notice the low voltage lighting load, we would naturally get particular installation rules in Article 411. In 230.42A1, we're going to determine the service load. And we have one or more secondary circuits at 25 amps or less in accordance with the 411.2 in the NEC. And it's a continuous load in accordance with Article 100. It naturally could burn all night long, say more than 3 hours. And the lighting load is still number one. It's the number one load that we're figuring, and it's the low voltage lighting. But notice the transformer is 30 volts or less. That's the output in accordance with 411.3. And notice it's a 40 amp rating. So since it could be used continuous and it's not listed for continuous, we take 125% of 40 amps in step one in the calculating low voltage lighting load, 50 amps. So in the solution, the low voltage lighting load to be tacked on to sizing the service conductors would be 50 amps. And a lot of times people forget to figure those transformers that pull current and add to the load. So we are figuring the load that is listed by the rating on the transformer because there's nowhere in the code it really says it's a gimme. So we would figure it, and that's what this figure 23-6 is illustrating.